Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max. Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max.
Max and Ruby.
Ruby and her little brother Max.
Max and Ruby! Max and the Magnet. I can't wait to make some jewelry with my new Bunny Baubles jewelry kit. I know. I'll make a brooch for Grandma. Grandma gave me the jewelry kit, so it's the perfect way to say thank you. Making jewelry takes a lot of time and patience, Max. I don't think you'd like it. But I know something you will like. Uh-huh. Ta-da! The magnificent magnet science kit that Grandma got you. Magnets are lots of fun. They stick to metal things. If you experiment with them, you'll figure out what that means. That's what real scientists do. Here. You'll even look like a real scientist if you wear this lab coat. While I make a brooch for Grandma, you can have fun experimenting with your magnets. Okay, Scientist Max? Okay. Magnet! The instructions say, Step 1, choose a metal shape for your brooch. Step 2, choose the beads you want to decorate with. Step 3, glue the beads onto the brooch. Step 4, glue the metal clasp to the back of the brooch. I can do that. Oh, there are so many different shapes to choose from. The question is, which one would Grandma like best? Magnet. I need to find something that's just right for Grandma. She likes leaves, but she doesn't love them. A teddy bear? I don't think so. Huh? Magnet. Yes. The metal in my jewelry is sticking to your magnet. Thanks, Max. Oh, Grandma will be here soon, and I haven't found the right shape for her brooch. A daisy! That's one of Grandma's favorite flowers. Now I just have to choose the beads to glue on it. Daisies have white petals and a beautiful yellow center. Oh, I hope I have enough beads. Magnet. Magnet. I'm more than halfway done making the white petals. And I'm saving this beautiful yellow bead for the middle. Then it'll look just like a real daisy. white bead. Oh, and another. Oh, there's 2 more. Whew. The last one. Oh no, where's the big, beautiful yellow bead for the middle? It must be here somewhere. Max, this is an emergency. I've lost my yellow bead.
Magnet!
Phew, that was lucky. Grandma will be here soon, and I'm almost finished making her brooch. It's tricky work, so no more magnet, okay? Done. I know. I'll put it on, and when Grandma notices it, I'll give it to her. Oh, she should be here soon. Here she comes. Ah! The brooch! What are you doing? Perfect! You found it!
Magnet.
I guess the glue wasn't dry yet. Grandma!
Hi, Ruby. Hello, Scientist Max. Where did you get that beautiful brooch?
I made it for you.
Oh, Ruby. Did I ever tell you that daisies were one of my favorite flowers? It's lovely.
Uh-huh. I nearly lost the brooch, but Max found it by using his helicopter and his magnificent magnet.
Ruby's Parrot Project.
I think Pandora likes it here by the window.
I'm sure she'll be in good hands. I'll be back later to pick her up.
Say goodbye to Rosalinda.
I wish I could get her to talk, but she just hasn't learned yet. Oh well, she's lots of fun anyway. Bye, Pandora. Bye, Max. Bye, Ruby.
See you later. I've just had a great idea. Let's give Rosalinda a surprise.
Surprise?
Rosalinda wishes Pandora could talk. What if we try to teach her?
Surprise.
I'm going to use this book and teach her to say something by the time Rosalinda gets back.
Surprise.
Now let's see. When you speak to your parrot, always use a happy, positive tone. I can do that. Guess what, Pandora? I'm going to teach you how to say, "Hello, Rosalinda." Won't that be fun?
Surprise.
Do you think you can learn to say that? Hello, Rosalinda. Won't that be a wonderful
Surprise.
Ow! That was a good surprise, Max. But it's not the kind of surprise I was thinking of. The book says that parrots like their home to be calm and peaceful. Okay, Max? Thanks. Now, let's see what else I need to know about teaching you to speak.
Surprise.
The book says, parrots like company and attention, and they also like to have toys. Well, I can give you lots of attention, can't I? Hi, Pandora. But you still need some toys.
Surprise! Oh,
That was another good surprise, Max. If I could just find some toys to keep Pandora company. You're flipping chicks. I bet she would love these toys. She likes them. Maybe now she'll feel more like talking. Can you say, hello, Rosalinda? Say, hello, Rosalinda. I'd better look at the book again.
surprise!
When teaching your parrot to talk, start with a word or simple phrase and repeat it over and over. I think hello, Rosalinda is a nice simple phrase. Don't you, Pandora? Hello, Rosalinda. Hello, Rosalinda. Hello, Rosalinda. Aren't you going to say anything, Pandora?
Surprise!
That was another good surprise, Max. But I'm working on an even better surprise. Now let's get back to work. Thanks, Max. Hello, Rosalinda. I think I'll check the book again.
Surprise!
Parrots like to copy sounds. If your parrot isn't speaking, try an easier sound like whistling. Can you whistle, Pandora? Like this? Now you try.
Surprise!
Ribbit.
Max, I'm trying to teach Pandora to whistle, and Frog Prince isn't helping by...
Ribbit.
Pandora! You made a frog sound!
Ribbit.
If you can do that, I bet you can learn to speak too. Say, hello, Rosalinda. Hello, Rosalinda.
Ribbit.
Don't you want to give Rosalinda a nice surprise?
Surprise!
I know you can do it, Pandora. One more time. Say, hello, Rosalinda. That must be her. I guess hearing you say ribbit will be a surprise.
Ribbit.
Hi, Rosalinda.
Hi, Ruby. How did you get on with Pandora?
We got along fine.
Only what, Ruby?
Well, I was planning something special for you, but it worked out a little different than I thought. I was going to teach Pandora to say...
Surprise!
Pandora, you spoke! That's amazing, Ruby. How did you do it?
Actually, I was trying to teach her to say, hello, Rosalinda. But it turns out, Max was teaching her to say...
Surprise! Ribbit.
Max's spaghetti.
Ready to catch the spaghetti, Ruby?
Ready, Grandma? I can't wait for Mr. Piazza to get here so we can start our real Italian dinner.
That's right.
I hope he likes
Spaghetti.
But it's not just spaghetti. It's spaghetti with Grandma's special zesty Italian tomato sauce. Mr. Piazza's gonna love it, right, Grandma?
Well, I certainly hope so.
I know he will. And guess what, Max? We're going to surprise Mr. Piazza by making Grandma's kitchen look like a real Italian restaurant. You know, with a red checkered tablecloth and matching napkins and candles and breadsticks.
Goodness, look at the time. Oh, Mr. Piazza will be here any minute, and I haven't freshened up yet.
Spaghetti.
You'll have to wait for spaghetti, Max. When Mr. Piazza gets here, we'll mix it with Grandma's special zesty tomato sauce. But first, we have to set the table so it looks like a real Italian restaurant. Did you know I can speak Italian, Max? Fusilli, rigatoni, ravioli.
Spaghetti.
I didn't know you could speak Italian, too. There's a tablecloth.
Spaghetti.
Aha! Bellissimo. That's Italian for... Max!
Spaghetti.
You have to wait for the spaghetti. And it'll taste even better with Grandma's special zesty tomato sauce. Mr. Piazza will be here soon, and then you can have all the spaghetti you want. Just like in a real Italian restaurant. Now that's Italian, but it's just the beginning. We need forks and spoons so we can eat spaghetti the Italian way. Do you know the proper way to eat spaghetti, Max? Like this. You get some spaghetti on your fork, and then you twirl it against your spoon. And then you put it in your mouth.
Spaghetti.
Not yet, Max. I was just showing you for later. You can put these forks and spoons on the table while I get other things. Grazie, Max. That's Italian for thank you. This salad is named after a famous Italian leader called Caesar. Caesar salad is only served in the very best Italian restaurants. Oh, I can't forget the curly-twirly breadsticks. Something's missing.
Spaghetti?
I think we'll wait till Mr. Piazza gets here. Then we'll bring out the spaghetti and mix it with Grandma's special zesty tomato sauce right at the table. Won't that be exciting? Ah, it's perfect. Now all we need is
Spaghetti.
music. You can keep setting the table while I put on an opera. That's a play sung to music. Opera is very Italian. Mr. Piazza loves music. He's always singing in his shop. This one's perfect. The Bunny of Seville.
Spaghetti.
Wow, everything's perfect. It's Mr. Piazza. Quick, clean up the spaghetti while I get the door.
Spaghetti.
Coming!
I've got it, Grandma. Buongiorno, Mr. Piazza.
Buongiorno, Ruby.
Yoo-hoo!
Mwah! Ciao, Bella.
Do you like the music, Mr. Piazza? I chose it just for you.
Well, thanks. I love opera. And now that's Italian.
There's more. Wait till you see the dinner table. It's just like a real Italian restaurant, with a checkered tablecloth and matching napkins and curly twirly breadsticks.
That sounds bellissimo. But you know, there's really only one thing that matters in a real Italian restaurant.
I know what you're talking about. It's spaghetti time! Whoa! Nice catch, Max! You saved the spaghetti and you mixed it in Grandma's special zesty tomato sauce.
Bravo!
Bravissimo! Well done!
And now we can get to the most important part, where we all get to eat spaghetti!